All right, so this is how you change your Kirby bag. And like I said, you always make sure your vacuum's always unplugged whenever you do anything to this. So you unzip it, pull the bag out. You have a latch up here, a strap, that straps around it. Here's your tube where all your stuff goes up inside here. Then here's your bag. Put your bag, sometimes the bags are a little tough to get on. You have these little rivets that you have to go over right here. So once you go over those, then you're snapped on. So just make sure it's on all the way around. And then you put this strap back on. Always make sure the strap's on so your bag don't fall down in there. All right, and then just tuck it back in there neatly. And zip it up, and that's it. Sure that it doesn't go past this fill line, because that'll wear your belt down, wear your motor down, everything when it's overpacked like that, and you won't get the good suction that you normally have. Then you got your bag here, and these bags can be washed, but only hand washed, and then you hang dry them. Never put these in a washer or dryer. To take your bag off to clean it, just push this.
The exterior bag?
Yep. Just push that. Pull this out. Now you can go clean your bag. Kind of like pull that out like that.
So it turns. Okay.
Yes. Now, I hear something in here. So let's find out what we have. We have nails and screws. So that is not good because that's what chips the teeth on there on the flywheel. So you always want to make sure you have everything picked up before you just start vacuuming up stuff. Because that can ruin your vacuum. It'll cost you a lot of money to repair it. So you put it on like that, and it takes a little effort, so you're going to have to push till you hear it snap in.
What would you clean your bag with?
I just kind of throw it in the bathtub and spray it down with a little bit of grease lightning or odor bond. Whatever.
And then just rinse it with water when you're done?
Yeah, just rinse it and then hang it to dry.